Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a look at the euro versus US dollar as we head into the weekend, as we head into the new trading week. I'm going to take a look at the moves this week and outline the technicals that are driving the market. Also, take a look at what we might expect next week. So let's get started. Looking in the rearview mirror to where we've been and where we may be going. Let's start the week off by looking at the low price that occurred on Monday early in the Asian session, and the market moved just below the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's what we're looking at right here, and the inability to get below that level and then come down and retest the level right here gave the buyers the go-ahead to push to the upside. That move to the upside initially moved above what was a key target on the top side coming into the week against the 38.2% retracement and the 100-day moving average. And as you can see, on Tuesday's trade, the market moved briefly above that level and then rotated back to the downside. Maybe it wasn't briefly, maybe it was a few hours. And then on Wednesday, the price moved above that level, moved up to the next target being the 50% retracement of the move down from this high to this low right here, and the inability to get above that level forced the market back down to the 100-day moving average. Again, this was off the FOMC rate decision. The market came down to 108.00, a nice round number, just below the 100-day moving average, which was at 108.04, and then rotated back to the upside. And finally, again on Thursday, the price came down once again to the 100-day moving average. This time it found support, and this time we saw a sharp move to the upside, helped by the weaker data and the just dollar overall selling and the post FOMC rate move that we saw on Thursday. And trading here today, we extended to the upside, and that move to the upside moved to this swing area up near 109.653 and then rotated back to the downside. That move to the downside came down to retest the 61.8% retracement of the same move that we're talking about, the April high right here to the May low right here, and found support buyers near that level and rotated back to the upside. Now, there are some key levels that are that I failed to talk about that are in play, and I want to put a red box around this area right through here. This area corresponded with a number of different swing lows. First off, here, you can see the floor being developed, and then the ceiling was developed here before rotating to the downside. And in trading this week, the market on Thursday moved above that level. Didn't really pause all that much against that level, rotated to the upside, so it went flying through that level. And the low price in trading here today kind of sniffed the high of that level, and found the buyers. So not only did we find support against 61.8, but also against this low of this box right through here. And that's going this box and this yellow area is going to be what I consider a key level next week, a key barometer for buyers and sellers. If the price can remain above this level, then the buyers remain more in control. If the price moves back below this level, then the buyers lose some control and could see a rotation back toward the 50% retracement, and maybe even back down toward the now flattening 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, or even the 100-day moving average. But we need to get below this area, this low area of this red box right through here. And if we so that is this is going to be our key level, our key barometer for early next week. Other than that, if the price is able to get above this 109.65 level, then we're going to start to look toward the high price right here, which came in right near the 110 level, nice natural level, 110.06. Get above that level, and we start to look toward the high of this red box. Admittedly, the price moved above that area, but here and here in the extremes and making the double top, as a matter of fact. So not only do we have resistance at 110.66 to up to 75, but then we're going to look at the near the 111 level at 110.95. So this real close support right here, a key barometer from the red box. Stay above that level of more bullish move, and if we're able to do that, then look for rotation back toward the 110 level, and then 110.70 level to up to 111. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.